Hey, and welcome back to Cocktail Cards. Today we're going to be showing you how to make the Matador cocktail. Now before we really jump into this drink, I have one small disclaimer on this one. So if you were to go out and order a Matador at a restaurant, chances are the majority of your drink is going to be made right here. It's just a tequila, pineapple, and lime juice cocktail. However, there are different versions of this drink out there, and my personal favorite is one, I believe it derives from a Trader Vic recipe. I've even seen it online a couple times. I think even Barfly made a version just like this, and this is typically the one I like. It does include agave and green chartreuse, so you know, if you have those things laying around, you might want to try this version. Now for the ingredients you are going to need, first of all, you're going to need a Blanco tequila. Next we're going to need some fresh pineapple juice. Now if you get any pineapple juice from the store, make sure it's unsweetened pineapple juice. And next we're also going to need a lime, so you can have some fresh lime juice. And the other two ingredients that I'm adding on for this recipe here is one, we're gonna have some blue agave syrup and also some green chartreuse. All right, so for this cocktail, we're gonna build this out in our pint glass. And the first thing we're going to do is add 1.5 ounces of tequila. Now we're gonna add 1 ounce of our fresh pineapple juice. All right, next we're gonna add a lime, and we're gonna squeeze out about 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. And next we're gonna add 1/4 of an ounce of our green chartreuse. Lastly, what we're going to do is add 1 tablespoon of our agave. Next, we're going to add ice and give this a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. So typically this drink will be served up in a highball glass. I have this really cool chalice. I don't know what this is, but it's a tall kind of crystal glass that I found at the store. So I figured this would be the perfect drink to give it a try. So go ahead and fill your glass up with ice. And strain that drink into the glass. And you'll actually get a nice foam on top of this drink, and that'll come from the fresh pineapple juice, which is really cool and an added bonus for this drink. All right, so for this drink, we're gonna throw some pineapple fronds in here. And we're gonna cut a little wheel of our lime as well. And there you have it, the Matador cocktail. Yeah, that's really good. Definitely a citrus forward drink. Reminds me a little bit of a margarita, but you get a little herbalness from the green chartreuse. You know, it's the pineapple's there. It's not coming through overly strong. If you want a little bit more pineapple flavor, you could definitely double down on the pineapple. But this one's really just gonna be a good balance of sweet and tart, and that agave in there, just giving it a little extra sweet kick to counter that lime juice. I think it's a great balanced, awesome drink that kind of gives me some margarita vibes for sure. So there you are, the Matador. Hey, if you enjoyed that drink, make sure you check out one of our other recipes up here. We're coming out with over 100 different recipes on this channel, so you're not gonna wanna miss it. All you gotta do is hit thumbs up and remember to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll be alerted when any of those new recipes come up. I'm AJ with Cocktail Cards, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. Man, it is like a margarita. You can just chug it down. Delish.